such a cute layered mid-length haircut. And as you guys know, we're seeing so many different variations of the layered haircut trend. This is a great way to get some volume. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some popular fall 2023 haircut ideas that you can play around with this season. Next up, we have a gorgeous pixie bob style. Really liking the color on this. Now the pixie bob is another very hot hair trend that we are seeing this fall season. It is a great in-between style of a pixie and a bob. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have another pixie bob variation. She has this beautiful salt and pepper hair color. Now what's great about this style as well is that it does give you a nice amount of volume, more hair to play around with than your traditional pixie style. This is such a chic and polished haircut. Next up, we have another variation of a layered haircut style. Now this one does feature more layers than the previous one that we saw. And then we see someone with shoulder length hair. And it looks like she is getting a bob haircut. Ooh, absolutely gorgeous. This one features so much volume. Very nice. And this is definitely a classic bob style here. Next up, looks like we have someone in the salon chair for a cut refresh. Stylist does a little bit of a trimming here, cleaning up the lines. And he did a little bit of a shorter mini bob here. This is really chic and fun. Very cute. So much volume too with her hairstyle. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna leave you to check out this last beautiful hairstyle idea.